Hello to Oma.
Hello, Oma.
Tell her what we're making.
We're making
What kind of bread?
Oma's bread.
Oma's bread. We're making banana bread. Show Oma how you put the flour in. We need more?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's taste.
That's tasty?
Yeah.
You're going to tell Oma that you miss her?
Miss her.
No, say, look at the camera. Say,
Look
Oma.
at the camera.
Ayla, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say, hi Oma, I miss you.
I miss you, Oma.
I love you.
I love you.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
What are these right here? What's that?
Banana.
Bananas. And what else do we put in there?
Food.
Prunes. Yeah, and whole wheat flour. So it makes your tummy all better, right?
Yeah.
Gives you good poop. Okay, tell Oma to have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Look at the camera, sweetie. Say, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye, Oma. We miss you.
We miss you, Oma. Bye-bye.